Everybody, I Y Channakeshwar Reddy, social activist and all analysis to political and economy and others also. Now present subject weekend business standard. This news is comes that I will talk about this weekend business standard. The market on Friday, Sensex 38,357.2 minus 633.8, Nifty 11,333.8, 193.6% minus. Nifty features 11,351.8 is up 17.9. Dollar 73.1, 73.5, Euro 86.6, 86.9, Brent crude 41.7 dollars, 42.9. Now gold 10 grams 50,901.017.8.0 is up. Vada Idea board clear. 25 crores year fundraising plan. Now public ban to the Earth India revenue of 10 cent including World P10 airlines invest to wild way to make money. Marketing it is includes startup loans up to 50 crores now under priority sector. Now present greater focus on lending to farmers, weaker sections at RBI revises guidelines. Indices plunge as a global sell of spells over to India. GST rate cut on costs for automobiles. Now 6 out of top 10 infra firms struggling to stay afloat. Struggling companies now present is infra is very difficult to this company. Yerra Infra Engineering, Punjab Led, Reliance Infra, JP Associate, Gammon India, Simplex Infra, Hindustan Construction, L&T, GMR Infra, NCC. Now it is the different changes now. Situation along LAC is tense, says Army Chief. This is the main heading. Work of arts, being Muslim in modern India. KMC Specialty Hospital India Limited, Pokarna Limited, some lot of advertisement available. Borsial Limited, GST rates, federalism in a post-COVID world. Lactation page 6 to restore speaking. India to empower citizens with the control over use of personal data. The analysis GST compensation what the center and state disagrees on. Geo cards to grow. Geo cards grow. Why the bond market loves India's tax misses? Copious rain seed hope of bumper harvest. Rainfalls have been abundant in July and August month, critical for the Kharif crop. Farms can pass on pollution control cost to state discoms. BOB among four state banks to downgraded by Moody. Moody's. The India Cements Limited noticed the shareholders Juwari Agrochemical Limited encasing considering fiscal deficit range instead of numbers. India on V-shaped recovery path from second quarter. Financial Minister says reversal of wheat into FCO equity returns. Now present localized to lockdowns hits recovery momentum. Puri. We will be profitable again by the end of the year. Now present Infosys noticed loss of share certificates. Now present LIC HFL. On Finance Minister nudge bank set to invoke guarantee. Indigo may be junk. Question 1 IP plan if air travel picks up. Will focus more on insurance and government destination projects. Game on FACG seeks to cash in as a public crashes out. Paytm cut losses in FY20, aims to log profits by 2022. MTR Foods owner Arcala to buy Eastern condemned for 2000 crores. Chinese app ban may dent Tencent's India revenue. Now maintaining growth task cut of 4 coke cheap, keeping the Fitch intact. Onam offers voluntary separation of leave extension to employees. This is the main headings talk about this matter. Now Wall Street selling spells forward to India. Sensex Nifty said over 1.5 in intraday trade. New margin norms may hit traditional brokerages harder. New priority lending now present. Work hard to improve your credit score. Operational strength, subsidiaries lend merit to State Bank re-rating measures. Now momentum is one is Adani Green Energy August 28 to September 472 approximately 540 Adani Green Energy in the news. IFB Industries August 18th 490 now present 530 and Ambar Enterprise India, this is also up movement. Timcon India stock hit all time high at 1224, surges 80% since 18-month low in March 2020. Now this is the board meetings intraday. This is this called is థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్. వందనములు, ధన్యవాదములు. నమస్తే. మై నేమ్ ఈజ్ వై చెన్నకేశ్వర. నమస్తే, ధన్యవాదములు. దిస్ ఇస్